Welcome back to DroidDB. In our first tutorial, we showed you how to build a basic form. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to build a more customized form. So the first thing we'll do is bring up DroidDB, and we'll create a new application, and the new application is going to be called Person. And the first thing we're going to do is create a table for this application. And the table is going to have 4 columns. One of the columns is going to be called name. One of the columns is going to be called age. It's going to be an integer column. One of the columns is going to be called gender. It's going to be male or female, text column. And the last column is going to be called pregnant. It's going to be a yes/no column. We do all that, and then we just say OK to create the table. And we're asked if we want the form wizard to build a form for this table. We're going to say no, because we're going to build a custom form. So now we're going to build controls. Controls are graphical elements on the form. So control label. We've just built a name control, and we can resize it and move it to where we want. Now I'm going to build an edit control over the name column. And again, we can resize it and move it to where we want. Another way to build controls is to use the button bar. The button bar is over here. Or alternatively, you can right click, and then where you right click is where the control shows up. And we're going to build some radio buttons for gender, male and female. I'm going to arrange that these controls are going to be horizontal on the form. And a checkbox for pregnant. Now we can align these controls by first selecting the control that we like, whose size and shape we like, and then holding down the control key, we can click other controls and then align them. We can also set the background color of the form, and of course we'd want to set the background color of the controls to match. And maybe set the text to a nice bold black color. How about even bolder? And then we just say, now the form is the way we like. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like these things got cut off. Maybe a drop down would be better than radio buttons, so we can remove the control from the form. And build a drop down instead. Much better. And by saving the form, we create a person form on the handheld and the person application. We can close DroidDB. Next, we bring up the emulator. When we bring up DroidDB, and then we're going to be running our person application. And the first thing we're going to do is create a record in this form for this new person. First we'll enter a name, Mary, and we'll enter an age, 32. Set the gender to female, of course. Now let's get rid of this on-screen keyboard and set pregnant. And there you go. Thank you for your interest in DroidDB.